Are you a fan of hardcore intense action movies? Extraction could be the best choice available for you during this lockdown. The movie is based on 2014 graphic novel Shoddad, which is jointly written by Andy Parks and the Russo brothers. The plot of Shoddad was South America, but Russo brothers chose to relocate the film in South Asia, based on Dhaka, Bangladesh and Mumbai, India. And that just hooked me up, guys, since the trailer launch. The action flick is directed by Sam Hargrave, which is his directorial debut after an impressive career as a stunt coordinator in films like Atomic Blonde, the Hunger Games films, Captain America Civil War, and Avengers Endgame. Hello family, my name is Sandeep and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Analyze in Box, where we will be analyzing movies and web series in a box. As you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to watch our regular content and definitely show some love. The film was released on 24th April 2020 and currently streaming on Netflix. Now let's get back to the story. Obi Mahajan Jr., a role played by Rudraksh Jaiswal, is the son of India's biggest drug lord Obi Mahajan Sr., role portrayed by Pankaj Tripathi. He was kidnapped by Amir Asif, role portrayed by Priyanshu Penyul, who is Bangladesh's biggest drug lord. Now, this kidnap can't be related to any ransom as Obi Sr.'s all assets have been seized by the government, and he is also jailed in Mumbai Central Prison. So it can be assumed that humiliation is the prime motive of his biggest rival. Chris Hemsworth is playing the role of Tyler Blake, a black market mercenary and former Australian Special Regiment soldier. He is recruited by fellow mercenary Nick Khan, role played by Golshifteh Farhani, to rescue Obi. Tyler took up the mission and arrived in Dhaka to proceed with the rescue operation. He was accompanied by Sniper Person G, role played by Sam Hargrave himself. Tyler took out the group of the detainers within approx 10 minutes of time, rescued Obi and proceed for extraction. But the game turns as Saju, role played by Randeep Hooda, the right-hand henchman and deputy of Obi Mahajan Sr. and a former Special Forces soldier, double-cross the whole team of Tyler by killing them all. And in the process start operate to bring back Obi without paying the promised money to Tyler and the company. That's where the action properly begins. Tyler and Ovi Jr. attempt to evade the clutches of Dhaka police, which is virtually commanded by Amir Asif and his team of henchmen, the Elite, and also Saju. The start of the resulting chase through forests, roads, and indoors is illustrated with a serious long take of a 12-minute sequence. Theoretically, it's remarkable, given the destruction and the variety on display. It's also high on thrills, with the unsteady camera works contributing to the feel. And with the camera stuck close to Hemsworth, it was clearly understood the actor is performing most of his own stunts. There is not a very big scope for the story. Basically, in action movies, this is a very common thing. The action thriller powered by brute strength and tremendous action choreography. Let it be hand-to-hand combat scenes or a knife duel between Chris Hemsworth and Randeep Hooda. Extraction connects and balances the many action scenes with noiseless flashes that not only let the film breathe but also make room for much needed character development and relationships. It's basically hard to root for a person for what's happening with him on screen if you don't know about the backdrop of the character. The bone-chilling fight sequences, the barrage of bullet fires around the clock, the explosions will blow your action-craving mind. The film is a breakneck and mad chaos of jump through buildings from the roofs into the rivers. Characters being hit by cars and trucks. I also almost forgot to mention 90s Bollywood song clippings and maximum portion of Hindi and Bengali dialogue are a nostalgia to go through in this Hollywood movie. The epic encounter of Chris Hemsworth and the minion force of Amir is a die-out laughing situation if you understand Bengali particularly. David Harbour also appears briefly, adding to the film's lineup of tortured macho men. But there are certain drawbacks as well. At times it feels like a Call of Duty sequence for how characters interact with their surroundings and each other. Only says what's in the frame. or how other characters appear out of nowhere as and when suitable. Golshifter Farhan is the most high profile of the lot, but her talents are literally wasted on Extraction, as it is in the case of Menyul, who orders people around and looks through binoculars, or the great Pankaj Tripathi, whose role amounts to just a cameo and was left to show the charisma he possesses on screen. Whereas 80% of the screen time was given to the mighty Thor, Chris Hemsworth, who is also a major producer of this film. There is no shortage of gunplay, grenades, and hand-to-hand combat scenes in Extraction, but still, it falls short somewhere in between. If you take it from me, then it's a definite must-watch. As far as my score concerns, I would like to rate this film 7 out of 10. Lastly guys, this channel is new and it needs your support. If you like the content, then please give a like, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every time we upload a video, you get a notification. Also give a comment below on how did you feel about the review, and also on which series you want me to make our next video. During this outbreak of COVID-19, stay at home, stay safe, and take care of your near and dear ones. Bye bye family. Thank you for your time.